Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Here we are going to discuss about that first command of WinProladder software. That one I will show you. For example here, that one in basics MC. The begins of master control loop. How we use this one MC command in WinProladder software. So let's start. I will click it OK for this my that command. Here also he is showing to how much bits you can use any ranks 0 to 127. For example, I will choose the 2 and I will click it OK. And this is my command is ready. But for the execution of this command, we will use one internal memory bit here. M1, for example, M0 I will use to my for execution of this command. And so what's the function of this command? Let's a little explain to you. For example, in the field any any program which is you make from this first n00 to n6 or n7 or how much lines which program you will make it here inside that one, and after this last end instruction, this first command yani when this one MC will be not run, must be you have to choose that 2 yani. For example, I will make it here in 7. That's one. Second one MCEP, end of the master loop control, yani means MCE start of your control loop, begins yani start of master control loop, and this one MCE end of master control. After this will be used yani. For example, I will use here, and the same address you have to be put it in first row, and that last row you have to be put this one second row. And which program you mix here inside this area, this program will be run by the execution of your input command. This input command can be outside from a sensor or any linear or pressure input close or NC or NO contactor, or this can be possibly your internal memory. So I will show you how this command works and how it works. First of all, for example, we will choose a small program. We will make a small program for a counter yani. I will take my one close contact here. For example, we will run a timer yani. T200 we will use close contact, and here I will take my one timer T200, and that's I will give time for 60 seconds, for example, or 30 seconds, and you can make any 60 seconds if you like to give 60 seconds. This is any for an example, just I will show you any how working this loop control works any. This is my own practice. This is 60 seconds timer. We will make an counter, and the output of this one T200 sorry, this 200 we will make an increment function. See, increment function at C0. At C0, because whenever when this timer will be runs, it will be giving the signal at 200, and here is comes a increment at our C0. And in third row we will use the command directly. We will choose the command because after video will be go to lengthy. That's why we will use compare. CMP compare command we can use. Not we will use this one. We will use equal command. Sorry. In arithmetic or compare command goes, and here you can go to the equal command. This you will choose it here equal. When your C0 when your C0 equals with the no, first we will take this one move command, I think so. Here we will use move command first. Move command. We will use our C0 counting. We will use in our D10 data register. And after here we will take another command equal. You can directly type also. You can make it type it here equal or any command. When you type this one, this will be can be shown on the and D10 when equals with, for example, 4 I will write, no problem. And so this one equal with 4. After this this will be not here. We have to be make little insert a row before, not after. Insert network before this row. Oh no, not sorry. This one we have to be make it insert network before this row. No, this is something. We will make this one. This mistake we will make. Now we will choose it here function. Okay, this one D0 D10 sorry D10 when equal with any data register also you can give here D20 for example. D10 D20 when equals and take the here reset command. C0 you can make it reset. Okay, and let's here this one you command can control C, control V, here also control V, and also we can insert network. After this network, control V, 3 lines we can make it here. And here I say out on हो जाए M100 M100 M101 M101 M102, and that's I will be changed that D20 we will used, and that one we have to be changed, that one equal with 0. It's okay, and that's also equal with 1, and that's equal with 2, and this we will download to the PLC. Now see, now our program is not running because T200 is also close contact and our program is running, but T200 is not running. Why not running? Because of our master loop control is not on. This can be a signal from outside X0, X2, X3 or whatever, or any linear position. When we will make it this one on, see, after our program will be executed. See, now our timer is started his time. As the 60 seconds are completed, after our one increment will be done at our C0, and one C0 is equal with the this D10. We have to be give first value, how much value we need counter channel. For example, D10 we will give value for 3. For example, 3 we 3 D10 why not still value take C0 D10, that's D20 we have to be give value. D20 we have to be value give D20 when we will give it 3. For example, it means our D20 when 3 it will be reset. When C0 equals with 3, after this will be reset. Now for example, our timer, which time is our running? T200. T200. This as we change 60, our 102 on. As it's equal with 0, our M100 will be on, and as it's equal with 2, our M101 is on. As it's equal with 3, our 2, our M02 is on. As it's equal with, this is, let's have only for this is the example I'm giving, means now see our M100 is running and our master loop control is on. If our master loop control signal not have, if I off this one, this complete program will be start from here, from N0 to N8. And let's now next I will show you if we make any program in other ladder. For example, here I will take X0, sorry, M200 for example I will choose, and output I will use here M300, and I will make it one here timer, and I will make it one here timer T220 for 10 seconds, T220 for 10 seconds. Control W. T100 20 seconds के लिए. Why this compiling error? Stop PLC. T120 for 10 seconds. What's problem? For 10 seconds. Okay, we will do as this one, maybe this one, and the open contact M300 for example, and here we can use a timer T120 for 10 seconds. And we will download the program. Now let's see, this program is out of our master control loop. This program is, these two lines are after master loop control out. As we make it on, our this one M300 is also on and our timer is also running. But in case of here, this timer is not running because of this master loop control is not running. As we will make it on, our this system is also will be run. This function is used for a safety purpose. In the field somewhere when need some signals, emergencies or whatever, means one area is working very special area, where it needs safety in advance. This can be used this function. So I hope guys you understand about this master loop control system. Command is how we can use in WinProladder, and that one make it off, make it on. This program is running, but upside this program is not running because of this master loop control from N02 is working here up to N8 line. Which program is running inside this one? This will be running by that MCE command, MC command. I hope you understand. If not understanding anything, you can send me message in comment section. I will be give you feedback as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.